In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a hosting a promo code discount so you can lock in the lowest possible price on your hosting plan without wasting time trying random codes that don't work. First, let's quickly set the stage. Hostinger already shows discounted promotional prices on most of their plans. That means what you see on the pricing page is usually not the full regular price, but a reduced rate. The good news is you can stack an extra promo code on top of those base discounts to save even more. Typically, these codes give you an additional 10 to 15% off the already lowered price, which can add up to a big difference over a multi-year plan. Today, I'll show you how to choose the right promo code for your needs and then how to apply it correctly at checkout so you don't miss out on the savings. We'll focus on longer terms like 12 months or more, since that's where the best discounts usually apply. Let's start with choosing the best promo code. If you just want a simple, reliable discount that works on almost any plan, go with a universal extra discount code that adds around 10% off on top of Hostinger's regular sale price. This type of code is great when you're not sure which plan you'll pick yet, because it's designed to work broadly across most hosting options with terms of a year or longer. If you're planning to open a WordPress website and you want the absolute lowest monthly price over several years, look for a code specifically tailored to WordPress hosting with the longest term, usually 48 months. These codes often unlock the deepest overall savings, sometimes up to around 90% off the standard price when combined with Hostinger's own promo rates. This is ideal if you're committed to a long-term project like a blog, portfolio, or small business site. Maybe you're going for shared or business hosting rather than WordPress optimized plans. In that case, choose a flat 10% off code that's aimed specifically at shared and business hosting tiers. It keeps things straightforward and is easier to understand. Whatever the discounted checkout price is, you take an extra 10% off. If you need a new domain name, there are also codes that add an extra discount just on domain registrations. These are especially useful when you register your domain at the same time as your hosting, letting you save a little more beyond any domain sale pricing that's already active. And if you're looking at more powerful hosting like KVM VPS, look for a VPS-specific code that offers up to around 15% off. Just pay attention to any expiration note on that code, since VPS promos are often time limited and may end on a specific date. Once you've picked the right code, the next step is applying it during checkout. Add your chosen Hostinger plan to your cart, along with any extras you decide to include. On the checkout or payment page, look carefully for the small text that says "Have a coupon code." This is usually located just above the total price section. Click on that text to open the coupon field, then type or paste your chosen promo code exactly as it appears. Promo codes are typically not case sensitive, but spacing and characters still matter, so make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. After entering it, confirm or apply the code. You should see the total price update right away. Take a moment to double check that the discount has actually been applied. Compare the subtotal before and after the code, and make sure the term length and plan type match what the promo code supports. If the price doesn't change, verify that the plan qualifies for that particular code and that it hasn't expired. If needed, try another active code that better matches your hosting type. Once you see the new reduced total and you're happy with the savings, you can proceed with payment and complete your purchase. That's all there is to it. Pick the right type of promo code for your plan, apply it in the "Have a coupon code" field just above the total, and confirm that the updated price reflects your extra discount.